In this tutorial, you will learn how to post a new blog post within WordPress. Now, the first thing that we have to do, of course, is enter our username and our password. When we do that, we're taken directly to the dashboard, which shows us the management things that we can do within WordPress. And we're going to begin here by simply creating a new post. So we go up to New, Post. And we're presented with an editor that looks fairly familiar to us from other things that we've done in websites. So we're going to say put a title in. All that's fairly straightforward. Now, anytime we're afraid of losing our work, we can come over here and click on Save Draft. If we wanted to see what that post looked like anytime, we can either click on Preview here, or up here we can see Preview Post. And that'll show us what it's going to look like within the blog setting. There we can see our post there. You can go back here to this button to return to editing the post. Now, again, there's lots of things in here that are looking familiar. If we wanted to add a graphic to this post, we'd simply click here. If it's a graphic that already exists on the server, we might be able to find it here. And if there aren't any new graphics there, then we can click on Upload. Oh, sorry, choose File first. And we can select the file that we want. Click on Open. And then click on Upload. Then after that, click on the image, and the URL is filled in there. Of course, we can set some horizontal space to space that out from the text, some vertical space to do the same. And we'll right align that one. Click OK. Now we see that that image is a bit too large. So we can go back and say, let's change that. Make sure this little lock button is on here to maintain the aspect ratio. We'll just change that to and there we see our image beside our text. So, as I said, most of this is fairly straightforward if we've edited within a online editor before. We might also want to create links within here, of course. Let's just say that we want this to be a link. And we could go to address. Come back to our edit. And of course, as always, this little chain link symbol is our link. We might say that we want that to open up in a new window, so we choose Target, New Window. And click OK. When we're done editing, we simply click on Publish. And then we can go back to our site and we can see there's our post. Now, obviously, that picture was still too large once we've crammed it into the site here, so we need to go back. Now all we need to do there is click on Edit. That takes us back. Click on the image. Click on the image icon. Let's take that back down to, say, 300. This time, this button is changed to update because this image, or rather this post, has already been posted. So we're just going to update it. Go back to the site. Now that's a little bit more reasonable. So that's the basics of creating a post within the Prairie Learning Center blog.